In this video, you will see the beautiful process of hand stitching on pure leather. Every single stitch is done carefully by hand to make sure the shoe is strong, durable, and perfectly finished. This is not machine work. This is pure craftsmanship, where every needle and thread passes through real effort and skill. The artisans focus on the tiny details, lightening each thread to bring that fine handmade touch you cannot find in factory made shoes. It is not just stitching, it's passion, patience, and precision all coming together to create a work of art. It's pure handmade leather shoes, just with the help of simple tool stitching the leather. It's pure handwork, not use of any machinery, because the man personally knows how can stitch, but the machines don't feel. Look at this. It's a very clear process. Such a very amazing work. It's a pure handmade work. Just use of simple tool to stitch the leather. Here you come to know how we can stitching the leather. Lots of things here you come to know. Now we move to the next part, the leather crafting process. Here you will see how raw natural cow leather is shaped and formed into something unique and stylish. Every curve, every cut, and every polish is done by hand. Here is using traditional techniques that have been passed down for generations. The craftsman works carefully to make sure the leather keeps its natural texture and strength while getting the perfect design and smooth finish. This is where handmade truly means made with heart. Every step shows deduction, creativity, and respect for the craft of shoemaking. It's a pure handmade shoes. And the crafting the leather, cutting the leather with the help of very sharp tool. The craftsman do his work very carefully. Look here. Here is very hard leather cutting with the help of sharp tool. This sharp tool is rubby, scoramby. Now he's sharpening the tool and now cutting the leather, making the sole of shoes. Here is very hard leather, not a soft leather. And convert into beautiful shape of sole. The sole is leather and rubber. Such very amazing work. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, then ask me in a comment section. Thank you so much.